Hey friends, good morning! My face looks so big with this hair. I just let my hair dry, air dry. No, blow drying because it's so hot and I don't like the feeling of the hair dryer because it's hot. Yeah. And I'm getting bigger. This face is getting bigger though. I don't know what to do today. Yes. Yeah. Yeah. The water is so annoying today. It's a Saturday and usually Saturday and Sunday water supply is not good. MCWD is not good anymore. Not a good source of water because even though it's not summer anymore, it's raining frequently really, but I don't know what's wrong with the supply with from MCWD because there's not much water. Diba, mother, no? It's so hard to not have water. Maybe, I don't know. I'm so bored. I'm waiting for mother. We will be going to Colonnade. Yeah. I know, not Colonnade. 138 Mall. And it is already 10. We need to go now, mother. Because we need to be there sa dulo at 1 p.m. Yeah, my face is getting bigger though, and I don't have the mustache, but I still have this some scars from my workout, and I think I have what's this whiteheads. I don't know. And yeah, what do you think of my eyeliner? This is my face, and I hope that it will not melt today because it's so hot again. It did rain last night, super hard, but in the morning it's still very hot. Nothing's changed, even though it will rain like crazy, but still there's no change. During daytime it's still very hot, and it's October already. It's almost November now. It's supposed to be cooler, but it still feels like summer. Summer. My hair looks so flat. Yeah, super like this. Baba just woke up and it's already 10. You don't have school today, ba, no? Because it's some break. What are you eating, ba? Pandesal, I like this. Wow, you're so rosy cheeks today, ba? Baba always has rosy cheek, especially when she's out in the sun. Yeah, she always gets rosy cheeky. Wow, you're so cute, ba? Love you, ba? Love you, ba?
I love you, mama.
I'm gonna make your milk, okay? Milo and milk. Don't have foundation or powder anymore. Ew. But I still have my eyebrows. Yeah, and I look so ewy. This is my hair. I forgot to bring tie to my hair, so I just used a very flimsy rubber band. You can't see me, but now you can see me like this. Hi, mother. Ha, di ka makita. Wow, you're pregnant? Yeah. Mother. Yeah. Just finished a haircut and I'm just chilling. Hey guys. Oh, it's so freaking hot. Look at my face. It's so haggard already. Everything was already rubbed off my face. Yes, I put powder, powder. I applied baby powder because I was so sweating like crazy. I just did a haircut and yeah, it was a busy day today. I'm still at work and I have 2 hours more left until I go home. I'm pretty excited to go home. I'm so tired. Yeah, and look at my face. Wow, completely no foundation. I just applied baby powder, but I'm lucky that I still have my eyebrows. But look at the tail, it's missing already. But wow, I'm impressed. I'm really impressed with the Melissa Kiss liquid eyeliner, guys, because even aside from me getting so sweaty, look at my eyeliner, it's still intact. My foundation and everything was rubbed off, but wow, kumusta naman yung eyeliner ko? Bongga. While waiting for customer, me and mother is going to paint her nail, huh? That one, you don't like the gold anymore? Yeah. Ah, wala pa man ito. One day, I tell you guys, she just worn that gold nail polish just for a day and now it's gone and she want me to apply another. Uy, this one is already dry.
No, this is new.
New. New ka dyan. Bongga ka, mother. Ate, what's that eh? Is that your urine? You're drinking urine? You don't have a straw? Oh, snack time! Snack time! Sige lang laboy. Snack time! It's snack time, guys. And wow, I look so... My forehead looks so big.